Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm She's Pretty Red. Welcome to my channel if you guys are new. So you guys, in today's video, I will be working with Lwigs. You guys already know that I worked with Lwigs in the past, you guys, and I love their company. So right now I'm just showing you guys everything that came along with this wig. You guys, you get a headband, and it also comes with an eyeshadow palette as well. Right now I'm just showing you guys their thank you card. It gives you guys instructions on how to care for your unit and their contact information as well. So right now I'm just showing you guys the unit. So this is their 13x6 loose wave lace front wig, you guys. It comes with 3 clips, an adjustable strap, and an elastic band as well. So you definitely get a lot of parting space with this wig. So the knots on this wig does come pre-bleached, and it is pre-plucked, you guys. And this wig is 180% density. I am so in love, y'all. Look how good this hair looks so good. So this wig is also 16 inches long, and when I stretched it out, I felt like it was a bit longer, but anywho, nonetheless, I love it. And if you guys already know or already have seen my previous videos where I do my hair tutorials, you guys already know that this is my first time doing a ball cap method, and I love it, y'all. So what I'm doing now is taking my razor and cutting off my lace, and I'm also going to be cutting off my ear tab as well so it can fit around my ear perfectly. So now I'm just applying some foundation to the back of my hand and putting some on my brush and applying it to my edges. So now going in with my wax stick. You guys already know, like I told you guys before, that this is essential to all of my installs. Definitely get you one, and I'm using my hot comb as well. So I decided to go in with my razor and just make a little bit of layers to frame my face a little bit more. about y'all, but I love me a good middle part or swoop bang, y'all. This hair, when I tell you, is so soft, y'all. So soft. So you guys, I have never done this before, but today I decided to give you guys another hairstyle. So this is hairstyle number 2. You guys already know that I love my swoop bangs to the side, but this I will not be doing any baby hairs. Y'all, look at those curls. I did not have to curl this wig at all, y'all. And I must say, I'm still wearing this wig because I'm in love. Alright guys, so this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, y'all. This headband is so nice. It did come along with this unit. I'm definitely going to leave all of Lwigs information in my description box below, so you guys can be sure to check them out, y'all. And definitely shop with them and get you a unit too. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll catch you then. Bye.